Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, a small estate. Before I get to that, if you would like to speak with me, if you'd like to schedule an appointment, go to frankbrunolaw.com or you can call my office. Sometimes people like to go to the website, read some information that I have, frequently asked questions, information about topics that they're looking for, either probate, estate planning, elder law, guardianship. We do divorce. My associate handles divorce, real estate closings. So plenty of information. Today's topic, a small estate. So in New York, there's a process. It's an abbreviated process for any estate worth $50,000 or less. So like many of these things, they come in bunches. So I have an appointment tomorrow for a gentleman that the only asset in the estate, or at least there might be a small bank account and a car. Small bank account and a car, but the estate is definitely, the probate estate is definitely under $50,000. We're going to do a small estate for him. And then today, a similar situation. They had done nearly all the right things in terms of estate planning and getting assets out of the parents' names so that the children could either get assets during their life or get by beneficiary designations. Just really worked the assets with beneficiary designations in trust for accounts so that they can make the probate estate either zero or very small. And there was one thing, a small annuity that was not able to be transferred. What actually happened is that one of the parents predeceased the other, right? It's a typical scenario. And that parent had an annuity, and the other parent, right, the spouse of the deceased person, was to be receiving a monthly annuity check. Now what happened is a span of several years passed, and the company, I don't want to disclose who they are, but they're a big company, like Metropolitan, like Prudential, right? A big company that would normally give annuities. This company failed to give the payments to the spouse. And I don't know why. I haven't determined that yet, and I only just got the case today. But that's really not an issue. As I understand it, why they didn't give it, because they're not saying that it's not due. But when the second parent passed away, since they had not yet started receiving the annuity, the bulk of that money, all of that money, not the bulk, I don't know why I use that word, all of the several years of payments have to go to the estate of the second parent. So it's causing the children to have to do a small estate. So a small estate is really, it's a condensed process. The petition is smaller, and hopefully the surrogate's court doesn't give us any real grief, but grief nonetheless, we still have to file. So let's get together, let's discuss your plan, let's figure out where the money has to go, and when, and to who, and by what method. Who, what, when, how. We'll do it together. If you'd like to speak with me, reach out to frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you. Stay safe and well.